How to change your profile picture on Discord. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord. This is the home page as you can see right here. Now go down and click on this option here down below. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page, all what you have to do to change your profile picture is choose this option of user profile. Click on it and it will take you here. Now click on this pencil and you will be able to change your profile picture easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.